So what you can also do is make custom gradients. So over here for that, I'm going to go around onto the gradient tool, and here you can see that I got many gradients to choose from. If I were to go around and click and drag, then this is a pre-existing gradient, as you can see right here. Well, let's say I want to make my own gradient. In that case, I can go around onto Windows, then I can go around onto my dockable dialogues, and then go to gradient right here. And over here, you can see the list of gradients that I see over here, just like this. So let's say I want to make a custom gradient. In that case, I can simply go around and click on create a new gradient right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. I can go around and move the gradient. You can see the gradient in action over here, just like this, on how it actually looks. So over here, you can see that there's this black color right here, just like this. You can go around and move this, as you can see the color, and then you can see that you can control out the gradient as you like. So over here, you can see that I can actually right click and choose the left endpoint color and right endpoint color as well. So on the left endpoint color, let me just choose, let's say for example, like dark blue right here, and press OK. And over here on the left endpoint, you can see the dark blue. I'm going to go around and right click, and I'm going to go around onto the right color type, and you can choose fixed, or you can choose the right endpoint color, as you can see, and choose something else as well. So let's just go around and select, let's see, a bright green right here, just like this, and that is what you have. If I were to go around and right click, and over here you can see that this is what you have. You can also go around and split the segment over here, and you get a third endpoint, as you can see right here. And you can right click over here, just like this, and then what you can do is you can go around and then add in, let's say for example, another segment over here as well. So let's just go around over here, replicate the segment over here, just like this as well, and you can see that I got different segments now that I can go around and click and drag around and edit this out. So you can see that that is what you have. So you can go around over here onto the left endpoint and then change around the color, as you can see, just like this over here as well. Press OK. So that is what you have. So you got the left endpoint over here. Let me just go around onto this section, and on the left endpoint, let me add in a bit of red, and you can see that this is the red color over here. And this is how you can make a custom gradient. And over here, you can name the gradient whatever you like. Let's say for example, I'm simply going to go around and say tube gradient right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say tube gradient, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to go around and change out the type of a gradient right here, let's say for example, if I were to go for radial, then you can see the exact gradient over here. You can go around and move this, and as you move around, you can see that that is what you have. And over here, as I click on the particular points, you can also see the colors over here, and you can change around this into foreground color or background color, or choose transparency from over here as well. And this is how you can work around and make custom gradients inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.